How important is your stomach acid? Very important. Allow me to explain. Basically, when you eat food, you're going to eat food and then the food's going to go in your stomach, and then you need to have proper hydrochloric acid. Now, I have a whole protocol on my website to see if you actually have enough hydrochloric acid. So if you're interested in that, leave a link below. Now, here's what hydrochloric acid actually does. So if you eat a big steak, you need to break that steak down into the big protein, the polypeptides, and then the amino acid. It is the hydrochloric acid's job to break that protein down, to break that fat down, and to break that carbohydrate down. If you don't have enough hydrochloric acid when your food leaves your stomach, so your food is in your stomach, now it goes in your small intestine. If there's not proper hydrochloric acid, if the pH isn't low enough, then what happens is then you don't turn on your digestive enzymes, which is produced by your pancreas, and your bile, which is stored in your gallbladder. So poor hydrochloric acid status leads to poor digestive enzyme production and poor bile release. Now, if this is happening to you, you're going to have gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. Why? Because your gut is inflamed. So hydrochloric acid is very, very critical. And also, hydrochloric acid is the weed killer. If you don't have enough hydrochloric acid, the weeds are going to grow. Small bacterial overgrowth is going to start to grow. So the hydrochloric acid acts as the weed killer. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.